Google Gemini. It's not just a chatbot. It's your free personal AI assistant, ready to supercharge your productivity and creativity. But how do you actually use it? In the next 10 minutes, I will show you, step by step, how to go from zero to mastering Google Gemini, starting right now for free. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. First things first, open your browser and head to gemini.google.com. If you are not logged in, you will see a guest chat prompt and a login button on the top right. Click on it and go sign into your Google account. However, if you're logged into your Google account, you're already in. It's that easy. You'll see a simple chat interface. This is where the magic begins. Let's start with a basic query. Explain artificial intelligence in simple terms, like I'm talking to a friend. You will see the response just below your prompt detailed out. You can scroll through and read the various sections. Notice the clean interface. Your conversations are automatically saved in the Activities sidebar. The Instructions for Gemini section allows you to share information about your life and preferences to get more helpful responses. Add new info here or use it to ask Gemini to remember something during a chat. The Connected Apps section, however, allows you to integrate Gemini with other external apps and services. You can also easily change the theme from dark to light. Explore Gems section allows you to use Gems, Gemini's custom apps that specialize in different aspects, as well as allowing you to create your own custom gem. We will cover this in other videos. Crucially, look for the Edit Prompt pencil icon. This lets you instantly refine Gemini's answer to be shorter, longer, or even simpler, or even add more details that was missing from the initial prompt. The New Chat button starts fresh. Like any good assistant, Gemini needs clear instructions. The better your prompt, the better its answer. Let's refine our previous question using a simple formula. Give it a role, a task, context, and a format. Try act as a seasoned content creator. Develop 5 engaging YouTube video titles for a channel about beginner AI tools, focusing on productivity hacks. Present them as a numbered list. Notice how Gemini provides multiple drafts you can choose from, a fantastic feature for creative tasks. I am now highlighting the various sections of how the formulae was applied. First, the role, then the task, then the context, and finally, the format. Gemini has some incredible advantages. First, you can upload images. Show it a picture of a gadget and ask it to identify it, or a plant and ask for care tips. It's incredibly powerful. I am uploading a photo of a plant and will be prompting it to identify it as well as providing care tips for it. There you go. It did identify the crop to be a tomato. And alongside, we have the care tips we ask for. Well structured. Second, its built-in Google integration means it always has access to the most up-to-date information, unlike many other AIs. No more outdated responses. For those who want to build their own AI applications or custom bots, Google also offers AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. It's a fantastic free way to access Gemini's power as a developer or advanced user. We'll dive much deeper into this in future videos, but know it's there for more advanced use cases.
You've just taken your first step into the incredible world of Google Gemini. This is truly just the beginning of what's possible. If this guide helped you, subscribe to AI Tool Navigator, because in our next video, we're breaking down 5 Gemini prompts that will 10x your productivity today, and you won't want to miss that. Hit subscribe, and let's navigate the AI revolution together.